In this video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark in CapCut on PC. So what you first want to do is import your video or images or anything you'd like to watermark. In my case, I'm going to go to library and use this clip over here. And now you have to drag it into your timeline, and then you can use an image or a logo for your watermark, but in our case, I'm going to show you using text. Now we're going to go up here to the text and then put in the default text box, make it the entire video length. There we go. And then you can play around with it and make it as big as you want and to your preference. So in my case, I'm going to put in watermark. There we go. And I'm going to make it a bit smaller. There we go. Now the font I'm going to use is steady. Okay, and as you can see, it's got some additions to it already. So it's got a stroke. I'm going to remove this. And now the only thing you have to do is play with the opacity. Now you have to go under text, basic, and then scroll down to where it says blend. Make sure this is selected, and you then can play with the opacity. So you have to lower the opacity to make it more see-through. As you can see, the less I give it, the less you can see through. And if I go all the way to the right, it's basically only text. Now you can put it to wherever you want to. Let's say I wanted it around 60% to be a watermark. And if I now play the video, the entire video, as you can see through the watermark, and the video has been watermarked. Now, in case you're not using text, but using a logo instead, it's basically the same process. You would just put an image of your logo above the video in the timeline, and then again click on it, go under the basic, find the blend option, and then lower the opacity, and you're done. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel.